new office, super sick. So this is gonna be our dream area. We're gonna have beer pong table, little couch, ping pong table, maybe like a dartboard. Yeah, just like the vibe out here. Keeping it real and fresh. And then walk it in there. I don't know, what should this one be?
It's gonna be the more serious room, bring clients in here.
Yeah, probably like a conference room, conference table, like some TVs. We'll see in like 3 months if it's anything like this. That, and then this is gonna be the detention room. Timeout.
The jail.
Jail. And then
A bathroom.
we'll have like a couch with like some plants on the sides of it. Maybe some cool art on this, or like, I don't know. And then a TV. So yeah, just like a place for chilling out, or maybe having like a quick meeting, or taking a phone call, any of that kind of stuff. So then you move out here, and this is where the magic happens. This is gonna be the pit. So we're gonna have desks out here lined up. It's on Broadway, so anybody driving to like Santa Monica or to the pier, they're gonna see us, and we have a cool sign. So amazing location. We're really pumped for it. We got the kitchen here. We'll probably put like a picnic table. We'll paint it like some cool color, like pink or something. I don't know. Maybe some art up here. I don't know about this guy.
Yo, who put that there?
I don't know where that
Who put
came
that
from.
there?
I know there was a spider on it earlier, and it's gone now. So, and then we have the kitchen. We'll need like a fridge. We'll need like, I don't know, good stuff. And then we got the bathroom. And that's our office. That's the media headquarters.
Yay!
We'll be moving in on Thursday, I think. Thursday this week.
Let's see the exterior of the building.
So the outside.
What about the art that we're about to do over here?
Oh yeah, we're about to do a mural on that. We've never done a mural before, ever. So we'll probably do a video about that. Stay tuned for that video. That'll be fun. And we want to do a mural in here too. So like, these are double doors that lead to nothing. But they're like, do you guys want to get rid of these doors or like put a wall? But we thought it'd be kind of cool to like leave them. Maybe we can put like a beach or like some cool scene, like the Santa Monica Pier. I don't know. We'll figure that out after we do that mural. Yeah, that'd be kind of cool. And then, yeah, this is the outside. We're on Broadway, so prime real estate. Got our sign up. Big deal. It's our third office now, so scary stuff. We got our planter. I want to put a huge cactus there. Massive, like, I don't know, cactus there.
Should we walk it over to the old office? Maybe give them a little.
Yeah. Have they seen the old office?
Nope, they have not. So we got the new office right here. Then bringing it over a couple feet and then upstairs up to this building, which was our last office. We had to do the upgrade. It was so close by and it was such a good opportunity.
Are you ready to not do these stairs?
I'm so excited. This is the worst part. And welcome to the old media jet. Here we have the couch area. We got the little TV going. You know, sometimes we'll do some meetings here. But yeah, it's mostly for relaxing, you know what I mean? Over here we got the kitchen area. This is a big upgrade in the new one. This didn't work out too well, but you know, it did the job. And you got the tiny conference room, which, you know, did the job, but we're just excited to get into the new office. And then we got the team over here.
Hey, hey.
We got, you know, some LED signs. We love those things.
Vibe.
Run it over here. We're gonna try and transfer some of this stuff over to the new one. Should be pretty simple. And then we got our desks right here, which are all gonna go in the bullpen in the new office. This is something I'm gonna miss as well.
Great view.
No more view. You know, it was nice to chill right here and look at the city, but all good.
Hey. It's okay, we've only been out here like 2 times.
Hi guys, click here to subscribe to more BHF videos.